Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular platforms for marketers and online communities, GoHighLevel and Skool. Let's get started. First, let's talk about GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed primarily for digital marketers and agencies. It's packed with features like funnels, CRM, email and SMS marketing, and even tools for automation. One big advantage of GoHighLevel is that it lets agencies white label the platform, so you can offer the services under your own brand. It's the perfect solution if you need an integrated system to manage leads, clients, and marketing campaigns all from one dashboard. On the other hand, Skool is a community-based platform focused on building and managing online memberships and learning communities. It's excellent for people who run online courses, mastermind groups, or want to build a tight-knit community around their content. Skool combines community discussions, courses, and gamification elements, making it a fun, engaging place for users. However, it's more niche compared to GoHighLevel and doesn't offer the CRM or marketing automation features that GoHighLevel provides. So if you're an agency or digital marketer needing a powerful all-in-one platform for funnels, client management, and automation, then GoHighLevel is your best bet. But if your focus is on creating engaged communities or offering online courses, Skool excels at community building and student engagement.